Spirit Fitness, E-Glide Trainer, assembly instructions. First thing we need to do is cut the bands off the box, slide the box top off, and then remove all the parts, the foam, and the plastic off of the machine. Step 1, console mast. First thing to do is to unwrap the main harness, and you just want to twist it to that twist tie that's inside the mast, and then pull the harness through. And then the mast is held in place with 4 Allen head bolts. Put those in place and then tighten them down. Next, we're going to attach the console. There are 4 different plugs that need to be plugged in. The extra wire needs to be put into the end of the console mast, and then the console is held in place with 4 Phillips head screws. Next, we're going to attach the handbrake to the right handlebar, and it's just held in place with one screw that tightens it down. Step 2, swing arms and pedals. First, you want to remove the foam off of the 2 axles that are on the mast. Slide the swing arms into place, put the cup washer in place, and then the Allen head bolt that holds those tight. Those do need to be pretty tight up against that bearing. Next, we're going to put the pedals in place. They're held in place with just 4 Phillips head screws, each pedal, the right and the left. You want to get these pretty tight so the pedals don't have a loose feeling to them. Next, we're going to attach the water bottle holder. It's held in place with 2 Phillips head screws. Step 3, wheels and caps. First, we're going to put on the transport wheels in the front. It's held on with a bolt and a nut that goes on the other side. You do want to tighten these down, but don't over tighten them or the wheels won't be able to roll. Just do the exact same procedure on the right side and the left side. Next, we're going to install the 3 end caps to each side. They just snap into place. Step 4, arm connection. In this step, we're going to be connecting the swing arm to the connecting arm, and that is done with a shoulder bolt and a nylock nut. We do the same thing on both sides. This does need to be an extremely tight connection. Step 5, levelers and end caps. On this step, we just want to screw in the 3 levelers that go on the left side and the 3 levelers that go on the right side. Now we're going to install the 3 end caps to each side as well.